Okay, so what's always fun is just gadgets, gizmos, things like that. And today we're looking at something that we haven't reviewed a lot of on this channel by any means, and that's a label maker. Now, these guys here at Niimbot, they sent us two different models to show you guys. So if you're in the need for a label maker, one prints a little bit smaller labels and one prints bigger labels. So today's video is on the Niimbot D11 portable wireless label printer. Right now on Amazon, it's like 10,500 reviews, 4.5 stars, coming in Canadian dollars. You know, it looks like it should range anywhere from the $40 to $50 range. And you can get like labels with puppies on it for like 18 bucks if you want down the road. I find it funny, right? Like the labels make up for a good chunk of the thing. So my guess is like most companies, they're hoping that you continually buy the consumables. But you know what? Still, it seems like a good price. So we're going to take a look at what comes in the box because I have it down here somewhere, and we'll see how it works. Now, before we get into the box, which is again still down here, if you are on the Amazon listing, if you are interested in this and you end up going there with the links I have below, because those are important, and this is dinging because because it is. So I'm just gonna turn that off. They have, just to be aware, they have an excellent little operation video. You guys can see it right here, this D11 label, and it goes through the whole steps. So it's nice and easy. It's like 2 minutes. If you guys want to see their little instruction video, I encourage you to do that. So we are going to close this now because the bonus of this is that it works primarily with your cell phone. So this is the box that it got, all of it got sent. Now it's banged up. That's fine, whatever. This box isn't, right? And these are a whole bunch of different, like ribbon labels, I guess they are. So I'm not sure because I got like a spare. I don't know if it's a spare, but it's a micro USB. And I know that the D11 takes micro USB. My thought was that I'm not sure if it comes in the box or if they just figured they'd send me an extra one. I don't know. But these are the little extra labels you can get. I'm guessing these are just 6 thermal gap paper. Oh, it says, this one says yellow. This one says transparent, right? This one is white. Because I think the one that comes in it, for some reason in my head, I think it's green, which is fine. And then this one says blue. So we've got some different colors, which is sweet. Now in the bag, I also got this bag, and I'm not 100% sure what the bag is for. It says pad strap replacement. Maybe it's if you ever, I have no idea. Anybody comments down below? Like there's this bag. It was in the box. 5-pack elastic hook and pad strap replacement. I'm pretty sure it was in the box unless it fell out of something else and ended up there, which is always a possibility. It's always a possibility. Anyways, this is it. This is them. You can see it here with all the cool little, right? Now, I'm not saying that you guys are going to get all that awesomeness. You might if you order it all. I guess that's a possibility. We're not going to install these. You guys can watch the install video over on the Amazon site if that's of importance to you. And I think my camera is pointed not as much this way as I wanted, and I just turned that one off. Maybe that's better. Why what's going on here? It's the one thing that I'm always like, hey, when you have it top mounted like I do and you go to hit a button, sometimes you hit like the S and Q button and it switches, and then you end up shooting a whole video in slow motion, and that's not what you want. Not at all. Anyways, the cool thing of this box, it's simple, right? D11, I'm with you. Not much on the back. It's just a box. But what's cool with these is that it hooks into your cell phone, right? It has an app. You download, you're good to go. And as far as I know, everything in here should be pretty much set up and ready to go. That video on the Amazon page, which again, link below, is really for when you need to replace the ribbon, the thermal label, whatever it is. D11. I don't know what color I got. Now the one thing that they have is there are multiple colors. So yes, yeah, I got a cable. They sent me another. I don't know why, but there's a cable there, and maybe they're just like, we got a whole bunch of stuff floating around. Have at her. This is the user manual. Not as small as it could have been, but it is still small, right? For font-wise. Readable, legible? Sure. Let's put that stuff over there. This, what color did I get? Black. Because I know they have a white, they have a black, they have like a pink, they have all kinds of colors. But there's your little power button. That's where the label is going to come out. It's small. It's nice. There's your micro USB port on the bottom for charging it. Now, I don't know what kind of charge this has. Maybe it has some, maybe it has none. But if you are looking at like changing the cartridges, as far as I know, this pops backwards. And all you do is, and I guess we still have to do this, you want to make sure that you put it in properly. You don't put it in upside down. So again, read the manual. I probably should read the manual now. But this comes out, and you just get it out, I think, enough, right? What does this say? Open here. Okay, open here. This closes, as far as I know. I think we can take this sticker off. And then what happens is, and this is just so you guys can see it, the actual label's on the bottom. So just make sure when you put it in, the label's not on the top of it, right? Like it's not on this side. The label's on the bottom of it. Yes? Yeah, because that's, if you put it in the other way, that's not going to be any good. Not good at all. So I have to have a phone, which is here. We have it all ready to rock and roll. This is the app. It's the Niimbot app. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, right? Make sure it starts properly. Yes. Okay, good. You'll see nothing is connected because I don't have anything. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. We're going to turn this on. I think they said hold for like 3 seconds or something like that. 1, 2. I'm guessing that's a good sign. We got a flashy blue light. We're going to go to, would like to use this. Oh, it found a D11. Yes, it did. Connected. Connected. Well, that's ridiculously easy, right? It even tells me that there's white paper in there, which is correct. White paper in there. You can set up templates on here. Now, my curiosity is if I tapped on, let's say, the D11, and it shows battery indication on there, right? Connected, settings. Oh, there's a firmware update. So let's do that. Be sure to connect the power supply to avoid hardware failure. Well, I guess it wants me to connect that, but confirm upgrade. Should I plug it in just in case? I got a longer cable, so no, it doesn't matter. I'm going to plug this in. We're going to do the firmware update, and then we'll be right back because this I don't want it to fail. Right? Am I putting this in the right way? There it goes. You want to make sure that's there and charging so that it doesn't crap out on you. All right, we'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so as far as I know, this has got its firmware update done. This light is flashing, and my guess is it's flashing because you guys can see it, right? It's because it's plugged in and charging. Now, it does say to just tap this for like 5 seconds or not 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds to get the paper to align. So I'm just gonna. I don't know, that didn't feel right. Maybe I'm going through these now. That seems to be what it said to do. I don't know. I thought it would feed properly. Maybe I've just wasted 4 of them. But it is weird that like there's the little scanny thing on 2 of them. Maybe whatever. I don't know. So let's try the app real fast. Okay. So it says here. Maybe you guys can see this. I'm just gonna type this. Just click on the picture to edit. Yeah, I'm good. So I'm just gonna put me. Yep. Ready? Yeah. It's all good. It's giving you a little rundown. So double click this. I'm gonna say me. Greg Toope. Yes, can't spell my own name. Right? Return. And then I'm going to put at www.youtube.com at. Nobody said I can type fast. Greg Toope. Now the other thing I should be able to do is maybe, can I make this smaller? Can I make it smaller? Okay. Can I make my font smaller? There we go. All right. So I got my font smaller so it fits. Yeah. Good. Wait. Good. Cool. Excellent. So I got it all good. You can change. You can set the alignment. You can do character spacing, fonts, whatever. It's all good. I don't really care. You can mirror it. All whatever. Right? You can put it on. You can put it on an arch. You can put it on an arch if you want. I don't. So we got this. Yes. Print. It says, "Is that good?" And I'm like, "That's fine." Now I could tap this, I guess, and move this up or down. Right? Let's do 2 of them just to see. Okay. Print. Printing. Oh my gosh, that's fast. I guess it did align because it got through the 2 ones here, and there's my stuff. Look at that. You guys see it? Boom. And because it's thermal, right, there's no like smudging or anything. So I can take this now and be like, boom. On my, boom. Just like that, right? Okay, that's cool. It's super easy. And then I can just tear these off because those are no good. Don't need them. All right, I'm down. I like that. I do. I like that. Super simple, easy to set up. What more do you want? Small for like little labely things. Now, it may be tomorrow, it may be the following day, I'm not too sure. We have its bigger brother. I think it's the B1. We'll go through the kind of the same thing, but it takes a wider, bigger label. So if you need that, just come back and watch that. So hit the notification bell. Don't go screwing around. Just do it, right? And I'm going to take this one off as well because I don't know why I wouldn't. I don't know why I wouldn't. And I'm sticking it on whatever. Sticking it over here on my TV. Just so that I know who I am. Yep. All right, guys. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. And I will see you fine folks tomorrow. Later.